Asem Yi Di Ka.
Inna Beka.
Akwasi Insia.
Commander 6.
Carlos Edia.
Bekwa nam du oboni die beche ama Ghana fo nyina wo se na ade na kasa timitie mama ache na no pay na famra Adom TV bedwam dwumadie so Asem Yi Di Ka bre na aduru hoyi areho asemo esi no areho papa Pacho mame NAIMOS for statement no de eba today Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Almost statement on the Bible. Okay, so quick one. This is a statement from the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Also for immediate release. Statement on shooting of NAIMOS personnel and death of armed assailant. The National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat wishes to inform the public that earlier today, that was yesterday, Tuesday, 20th January 2026, a member of its task force was shot in the thigh by armed assailant during a routine anti-galamsey operation. The incident occurred in a bush along the Subin Kukrum to Cheremasu stretch in the Doma Central Municipality of the Bono region. The armed thugs who were hiding in the bushes opened fire on sighting the NAIMOS task force. This led to an exchange of gunfire, during which one NAIMOS personnel sustained a gunshot injury. The injured officer was swiftly rushed to the St. Matthew Catholic Hospital at Ampekro, where he is currently responding to treatment. Meanwhile, one of the assailants who opened fire on the NAIMOS task force was shot dead during the exchange. The deceased, identified as Abu Ibrahim, was pronounced dead on arrival at the St. Matthew Catholic Hospital. NAIMOS wishes to assure that despite the persistent attacks and disruptions, it remains committed to fighting the scourge of illegal mining and urges all stakeholders to continue with support for its operations. And Park West Scandal Media Relations Officer. Etikata enua NAIMOS for the APA enum. Ese eye enrada omoko aprobo ewo Doma Central mensinim wo Bono Mantem. Omkodru ono galamsey fo bi enomo etututu ema etuo ni baako eka NAIMOS fo no ebi enai omunesre enna etukro na bi omtutu ya no so no eka galamsey fo nsu baako amon de dindu hospital no ya mutu kanana wotina nanu ewo se de NAIMOS ni no de penfochma ne adoctor fo egunu so ehwesa no ho eyede eba no ya ka galamsey na semu a na bia beka se mumye mfanye agodie na muma yen koso enhye echire because of ya manyo semu a ye yenti we sojani obibusuani o obibusuani enna memenu mienu yesori amanyo semu a ye de galamsey yenti ekanyakopon amfafia okohia no kofiri kwame wo no. And this one should also send a signal to Mpenifo from your president to the minister and any other appointee of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We will call ye no cool ya. And can one know? So to ye abide appointee, ye the to mediate assurance. Section of one or my and two, especially in regard to Galamsey. Now why do you so party ni bi na galamsey ntino mbe sori akwagire kire ya kai se enkrofo bi do mo nkwa eno mo daachi na ato galamsey ko ne so. We can't continue to fight the fight in the way amana akwa say we ye me party ni we ye me party ni we me nkanasem we ye nkanasem ebasa we will be defeated. Yakoponka NAIMOS ni na oprai no. Galamsey ni no galamsey ni no enema ebarba no because omo ko waboa mo ho eno mo de ekọ eye sorry de eye ahwefo fanche but this is a situation mum ye fa galamsey ko na nya amanyosem ena no pe na afia mankwa me bisa asembe ese omo ya chi omo so far e wo galamsey ekon no ho no omo sem no akwa akotise omo galamsey frimle santini ye chiro omo no se ne de omo ato afiase ana omo de omo nkwa afiase ana omo ne no omo di enya bone ebetimi no akwa afiase ana omo ya chi omo no from January 2025 ebesi ena ye kese no omo nsem no akwakosi sei because you won't say report they say as you no court no court jail no as you court see wakum ni petino ye kokoni bi as you court see wodi awunti no ye mo ne ka then na baba ye ensa na ho de ma afra edi akire once again mumi enyi amanyo semfa free galamsey konemu na galamsey no ha adwen galamsey no say on mine no galamsey ebetimi abogana. We expecting His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to stand on his feet, say, "Ampa, obey me a quote galam say, say no catch ya, say no to me no." Na koko basi akoye no kwa passing asuafobi e na etwitwa akwamum e magalam say ko no etwi nwe pa ya sali pan yan twe na so bi. So MMC this is now ya power no o madwumo galam say ko no ene say Minister for Local Government. Baby a galams and NAIMOS for echo ya or many galams for call to trade and you bring the kaya galams on you. And you new discovery. So I ban them still now your power no or Dominic Amiao. Yeah, your power. Asem members be 44 eji wuto mo no. Ti animal to now to the first galams na e course will be on. I can't see any giant MCs everywhere. A giant MC, a young tree out, if man penny, we don't sacrifice some of our MMDCs. You will be a galamsey ekoswa, or couldn't you pay your da? But see, if say Asante in Asante Menura, or 247 to Ababion and I'm putting my boom was say, ye ni a dissay, ni ding a bata galamsey and some what else am I galamsey cost assassin there? I didn't a galamsey cost will be a yet MC no. Because on no MC no, a bill police for if I uncle the chairman of security or he not only police in here. Yeah, I'm not damn sure. You know, you know. MC, you know what? You police now or one who buy ever crown now buy. What that's to office. I will not be hypocrite. And you natum. Okanwa MC. Okanwa MC. I'm telling you, you forget it. Because Obia will say, you did ho to Baba did the hosa. And then says, Honorable College down the constituency, MC Nan, or Tino Yen Shahama Namos for bad and Potemu, Emma Sabas, I say, no, Nessa Quaco say, Obianca. And I know turn on off, it goes Yankari into MC. We have a Sana Cosa. Unless they be unpen from, you're okay with a galamsey. Then what come a gun for you not here once say. So for the gun and pen for you're okay with galamsey. It's Yenya Catatintina, Yakan. They did the questions here. There be because the uncle Pontocos on my and penny for candy for a Jew or man. And your pessimum coming up for. I pay you more money with the gun at cheap. I bet pray gun and count on the gun a year. I send me the canny. I do see. Yet the pay more. At was. Back out.